About a locus question again, which is about circle equation, and then they tell you some requirement. Whenever they give you equation of circle, you have to check very carefully. Is that the standard form? Here is not the standard form yet. Our standard form or any formula we learn is given 1x squared plus 1y squared and then plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. If we can write in this format, then this is a circle and the center will be d divided by -2. Basically, it's the result of commuting square. And then radius is equal to square root -d divided by 2, -e divided by 2 squared, and then minus f. That's the formula for finding center and radius. Given is already standard form. The tricky part here is they do not give you the standard form. It is 2 but not 1, so it do not fulfill the requirement. The coefficient of x here is not the coefficient of x here. So the first thing, don't be trapped, and then you should change it to x squared plus y squared and then plus 2x minus 6y and then plus 15 over 2. 0 divided by 2. We should divide the whole equation by 2, both left hand side and right hand side. So we didn't change the nature of the function of the equation, but we changed it to standard form. So d is 2 and e is -6. We can find out the center now. So it's -1 and 3 here. And then we also find the radius. So now see what is asking. The first thing is the area of C. Pi r squared. So this is 5 over 2. It should be 5 over 2 pi, but not 25 pi. So the first statement is wrong. And then we want to know the point. Is this point line outside the circle? So we want to compare this circle with center -1, 3. And then is this point outside? Or here, or here, we want to know. So basically, you just need to find out the distance between our center and the corresponding point. Then we can compare with radius. This is a horizontal line, so the circle is like this. And then it is right hand side here, because it's horizontal. The distance is equal to 4. And then compare with our radius, is definitely larger than the radius. So therefore, the point should be outside the circle C. The second statement is correct. Last one, is the center in the fourth quadrant. So just draw again. Our -1 go left and then go up. So our center is here. It should be lie in the second quadrant rather than the fourth quadrant. So this is wrong. And the answer should be 2 only. Just be very careful. Whenever you apply any formula, not only this question, but any formula, you have to pay attention to the condition, to the given condition. And our similar situation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Before you apply the quadratic formula or discriminant, you must 100% sure that you already tidy up in this format. Otherwise, we don't have the same standard, then you can't use the formula.